Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the latest and greatest in consumer goods. Today, we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the wellness community, the Orgain Collagen Coffee Creamer. If you're a coffee lover looking to enhance your morning routine with a boost of collagen and flavor, you'll want to stick around for this review. Let's kick things off with an overview of what makes this creamer stand out. Packed with high-quality ingredients, the Orgain Collagen Coffee Creamer promises not only to enrich your coffee but also to support your skin health with added collagen peptides. It's a dairy-free, gluten-free, and soy-free option, which makes it suitable for many dietary preferences. Now, the most exciting part. Let's talk taste. As I add a generous splash into my coffee, I'm immediately greeted by a creamy texture that blends effortlessly. The flavor profile strikes a perfect balance, adding a subtle sweetness without overpowering the coffee itself. It's smooth, it's delicious, and it enhances my morning ritual in the best possible way. Taking a closer look at the ingredients, we find organic coconut milk powder, collagen peptides sourced from grass-fed cows, and natural flavors. Each serving delivers essential amino acids that promote skin elasticity and joint health, a fantastic addition. For anyone looking to support their wellness journey, beyond coffee, this creamer proves its versatility. You can incorporate it into smoothies, baked goods, or even mix it into oatmeal for a nutritious boost throughout your day. It's a game changer for those who want to elevate their recipes with added protein and collagen benefits. Wrapping up our review, the Orgain Collagen Coffee Creamer has truly impressed with its quality, taste, and versatility. Whether you're aiming to support your skin health, enjoy a creamy cup of coffee, or explore new culinary adventures, this product ticks all the boxes. It's undoubtedly one of the best collagen coffee creamers on the market today. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on products like this one. Drop your comments below. Have you tried the Orgain Collagen Coffee Creamer? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay tuned to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products to enhance your everyday life. Cheers to good health and great taste.